Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I finally finished my entryway table and I really like it. I ended up doing a mixture of like the mixed metals and like crystals and a few pearl accents. And then I did my buffet table back here, but it's not that big of a deal. I didn't really put too much effort in it. I use this buffet table more as like a storage for like the liquor cabinet and things like that, so I don't really put too much on it. So let's jump into the video. So this is my table. Those giant bulbs that I bought, I ended up just hanging them from like a vine, a little beaded vine. Here's my place settings. This was so easy to make. All it was is a snowflake, and I glued a really pretty ornament and then put the plate underneath it, a charger, and then like a little mat. The table is brown, so it doesn't give off that much space. And here's my really cute owls. They're my favorite. So I have these two at the table. Everything else is pretty much the same. These glasses right here with the little beaded napkin inside and the napkin ring. Zoom out a little bit. This is just a set for like 3 candles. I have to get batteries for the middle one. Funny story is this is actually a tree skirt. I didn't realize how hard it was to find pretty brown tablecloths, but this is like a really thick tree skirt. Same place setting. These I've had for a couple years. They're just for, you can put like a candle in it, but I always just put bulbs in it. Same thing on this side. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you the buffet table. My little gingerbread, they're not gingerbread, nutcrackers. I made those on a video. A little tray, the silver poinsettias. This really doesn't have a reason to be here, but I'll probably hang like a mini chandelier inside of it in this little house. Eventually, I'll have this whole thing covered in these little houses, but I haven't gotten around to even looking at those. And that's it. Very simple. I incorporated a little bit of red right here. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe if you're into this type of thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you have a happy holidays, and I'll see you probably next year. Take care. Bye.